Hey, welcome to Bar Essentials, straight from Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. In this series, we're going to be focusing on the essential ingredients that is needed by every great bar, every great bartender, and every happiness bar. Today, we're going to be working on the 1-to-1 ratio Demerara syrup. If you're looking for a recipe for simple syrup, ginger syrup, mint syrup, honey syrup, saline solution, or even a technique for citrus juicing, check out the links below. But if you're in the right place, let's jump in. Alright, so the tools we're going to need today for our Demerara syrup. We got a kitchen scale. We need a pot. We need something to stir with like a bar spoon. So you're going to want something you can weigh in like a pint or a quart container. Place that on your scale. Always make sure you zero out that scale after you place your container on top of it. For our Demerara syrup, we're going to need 250 grams of Demerara sugar and 250 grams of water. So I'm going to go ahead and kick on my induction burner. We're going to add our water, add our sugar. We want to bring that up to a boil. Go ahead and give that a stir. It's heating up. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. Oh yeah, there we go. Once you've brought that up to a boil and allowed all your sugar to dissolve, you can take that off the heat and allow it to cool. While that's cooling, you're going to want to grab some blue tape or something you can label with the name of the product and the date that it was made. Let's go ahead and put it in our storage container. Careful not to spill. There it is, the 1-to-1 ratio Demerara syrup. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.